In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance content using ChatGPT Atlas. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves polished writing, this tool can offer fantastic help to elevate the clarity and quality of any text. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by opening ChatGPT Atlas. If you're not already familiar with this tool, don't worry. It's user-friendly and incredibly effective at editing and improving text. With the application open, we're ready to move on to the next step, selecting your content of choice. In this example, we're going to use a website that might not have the best writing. Let's say we've decided to visit the Yale School of Art's website. This is a hypothetical choice, but feel free to use any site or document where you feel the text could use some refinement. Once you're on the website, start by highlighting the section of text that you'd like to improve. This could be a paragraph or a few lines. It's entirely up to you. When highlighting, ensure you capture all the bits you want to modify. It's easy to miss a line or two if you're not careful, so take your time with this step. With your chosen text highlighted, turn your attention to the ChatGPT sidebar, conveniently located on your screen. Clicking this will open up a set of options. One of these options is the ability to interact directly with ChatGPT to enhance the highlighted content. This sidebar is your direct access line to a virtual editor who's ready to assist in making your text shine. Now, here comes the creative part, the prompt. Click into the prompt area and type something concise yet clear, such as, "Improve this text." Feel free to customize the prompt to better fit your needs, perhaps by specifying style or tone adjustments. This input acts as a command to ChatGPT, directing it on how to approach the task at hand. Once you've set your prompt, it's time for the magic to happen. Click the Submit button and let ChatGPT Atlas take over. The tool will analyze the highlighted text and work its magic based on your specified instructions. In mere moments, a refined version of your initial selection will be at your disposal. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've transformed a text into a cleaner, clearer version of itself, all with the assistance of ChatGPT Atlas. As you grow accustomed to this process, you'll find that it becomes a quick and efficient way to enhance practically any piece of writing. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your future editing endeavors. Happy writing, and until next time.